Hi, this is Smart Academy. We are giving lectures for IIT, JEE for the mathematics, physics and chemistry. So now we discuss about the heat chapter first of all. So according to kinetic theory, this matter is made up with the molecules. So this matter depends on the intermolecular space. Again it classified as the solids, liquids and gases. Now we discuss this molecule random motion in these solids, liquids and gases. If you are observing the gases, these molecules are moving very randomly zigzag motion. Why? Because of its intermolecular space between the molecules would be that should be more than the liquids and solids. So that's why these are moving very freely, randomly inside the any which we are taking in the vessels. Okay. So these liquid molecules, nothing but let we consider water molecules like. So these are having the intermolecular spaces very less comparing with the gas molecules. Okay, so next one is solid molecules. If you are observing, so those are very closely packed there, nothing but they do not move to up and down or to and fro motion. Why? Because of there is no intermolecular space existed in the solids. Okay, suppose if you are observing the molecule of these matters or these solids, liquids and gases, so these molecules when in the random motion, that substance should be warm. That substance should be warm. Warm nothing but, so when motion of the molecule in substance, it generates or it creates the warmth. So if you are observing the same, this gas molecules here, then we consider this gas container containing the 5 molecules are there. This first molecule kinetic energy, let it be Ke1. This second molecule kinetic energy is Ke2. So like that, this third one has the third kinetic energy 3. So if you are observing the all kinetic energies, individual kinetic energies are Ke1, Ke2, Ke3 like that. Summation of the all individual kinetic energy that gives the internal energy of this system. Internal energy of the system. So this one also called as the thermal energy of the system. So thermal energy of the system. Okay. Suppose if you are observing let we discuss some examples. Suppose let it be this is a metal surface. When we strike the hammer on this metal surface, then these gas molecules are moving randomly. That motion of a molecule will be observed on the metal surface. In that case, this metal surface that should be warm. Why? Because of the motion of a molecule gives the heat energy, that develops the heat energy, that creates the heat energy. Okay. Suppose same phenomena. Suppose if you are any substance, if you are taking, if you are add the some heat to the that body, the temperature should and must increases there. If you are remove the heat energy from that body, then the temperature should be decreases. Here nothing but heat always related to the molecular energy. Heat always related to the molecular energy. Next now we discuss about the heat and the thermal temperatures like